Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, energetic breakfast to start you off for the morning, or you can use it for your pre-workout also. In here, I have some oats. Put on the fire, the pan on. I'm going to try to do both of them at the same time. Put a bit of butter in there. Here I'm going to do some scrambled egg inside this. For the oats, I'm going to add some water. For this you can use milk if you want, but because I'm going to use a bit of condensed sweetened milk in it, it's personal preference. I'm going to add a bit of nutmeg and some cinnamon. I'm going to stir it a bit. Going to add some salt. It's just for balance. If you should try this at home, you will taste the difference and know that it tastes different and tastes better. And do not put too much salt in it, otherwise it will taste it just a little, just to balance. Okay, the oats almost ready, so I'm gonna switch the fire, turn it down a bit. Then I'm gonna go to the scrambled egg. So in here I have 3 eggs, so I'm going to put the egg in. Put a bit of salt. Well, this is, the oats is finished. You'll see what I do next. Scrambled egg, so I'm just stirring it gentle. See, the egg almost cooked, so I just turn the fire off. And at the end, and just add some cracked black pepper. And here, I have 2 slices of sourdough bread. So that's it. Okay, back to the oats porridge. Now I'm going to use my condensed milk. As I said before, you don't have to use this, but it tastes better to me. It's personal preference, but if you tried it, you will realize it tastes much better. You don't have to put too much in it, just put the amount you would like to have in it. Then the bowl is here. Get your spoon, pour it in your bowl. And then a bit of cinnamon over the top. There you have it, guys. A healthy breakfast for the morning. You can use it as a pre-workout. Oats porridge with cinnamon on top. And you have fresh scrambled egg with sourdough bread. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave comment, but make your comment be positive. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Peace be unto you all.